Kosabiti lo atubor ejasito modaracha loka usu ajele ikachowa aimanimani rotin kokata kui. Atupito ne President Jessica Alupo epel ngesi ya balebe apolorai monyo noiko tunga kanu Idaraca na lu eduke rono ibore koto lu rotine teorite neni noi.
Because there is still an outcry across the country on some roads which are impassable.
Very many.
Because of a bridge like this. Some roads which are impassable because of even a smaller place, like smaller than this.
Yes, exactly.
And that money, the 1 billion plus the road fund, can help the district so much than withdrawing it and now giving 1 billion. You might be creating another problem. So I told them all those points from there.
Yatakiti sebe abuapugani yatakite kangini districta ikapune bilionite diope kanuwa ite monokini rotin kile mabera pia inua tiakunita pugan kwape budget kanui rotin.
One of the reasons why the president added the 1 billion to every district every year is to enhance the road fund, which the districts had already been receiving.
That's true.
In whichever quantities they were receiving. And for the case of Katagui, we were receiving 490.
Actually, there was a reduction of 47% money.
Districts. You should make a consideration of the geographical coverage of the district. And I rightly highlighted to them that as we speak now, the largest district in Uganda is Kasese. The second largest is in Tororo. And the third largest is Katakwi.
Kopotu kesi ipejo kisi Idaraca na luegele gelea imori arito Idaraca lo irucho kitalia kamerke do Sudan lo usu kaboko dia ajele ikachowa Idaraca lo milimila chinga kapele biong nepepeka lo kuda ongongoja koto modaracha lo kajele ikachowa lo eliko arita inwe langire naba ageonu ne tegare Adukio ke minister chweru nyesi abalebe edodoro kwa na swamangeta kin.
Dode samailo ijayo nile tapasa pugani noi konye yala mango ebe itei kwa na belo sedake kira chaon itei kwa na belo but lorone kena vice president ano anyune adoktat na aswam aloskineta lopete ikota esi nkoki na engineer tetere otomosabitini idisara ene peta la pedo pato betila piare inyakune tesa vice president na amuna ngare rotolo official o down do chot ara ibo merkwa na recha mula polo ne lope na re poisirigin no lubu e kito mane ano anyuni bitemo kine Idaraca lo ipo to ngalo ipuda se rotola depa ai subisa ne polo no kapele bion erai itsoma to chori mongin
lo idararo ikwape emani manani Idaraca na kapanya koto moriongete lo rotin Patrick Osele ngese yala maka no emani mana kana.
As the head of bridges, we have a challenge, Your Excellency. The budget for bridges countrywide, you cannot believe, for bridges under the Duka network. Those are basically roads outside the national roads. Now the budget for those bridges, I can highlight for you, Your Excellency. Last financial year, we had a budget of 26 billion, but we only received 16 billion. This financial year, we're given a budget of 12 billion, but after discussions and negotiations, it was moved to 21. But you can see the implication if you are to spread that countrywide. You can really see that there's a need to increase funding for rural bridges.
Nuka TV East, Alfreda Tuau, ko district alokata kui.